Today we'll be learning about linear inequalities. This term actually might sound a little bit scary at first, but in fact we've been learning about them from primary school maths. Linear equalities is basically when you look at two different linear equations and you compare the two. So you say which one's bigger than, or which one's equal to, or which one's less than and equal to, and which one's greater than and equal to. Let's look at some examples. Sometimes we might find that we are given a statement like 3x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 2x. What does that really mean? It really means that the value of the 3x plus 7 is greater than that of the value of 2x. What if we changed the symbol? What if we turned it around to make it face the other way? This would mean the exact opposite. This would mean that the 2x's value is greater than or equal to the value of 3x plus 7. What if we remove this little line? By removing that line, we actually are saying that the value of 2x is greater than 3x plus 7, so they are not equal to each other. And if we flip that to the other side, then that means that 3x plus 7 is greater than 2x, and that they are not equal to each other. The easiest way to really remember this is to think of this symbol as a mouth. This mouth enjoys eating food. And it usually is quite greedy, and it likes to eat the bigger numbers. So for example, if we had an 8, if we had a 7, the mouth would ignore the 7 and go for the 8. So it's actually pointing towards the 8. This basically says that the mouth wants to eat up the 8 because it's the bigger value, and it will reject the 7 because it's small. Okay, let's look at an example. So let's say, for example, we've got 3x plus 8 is greater than or equal to x plus 3. What we really want to do is we want to simplify this inequality, and we do that by first subtracting 8 from both sides. So we're going to go 3x plus 8 minus 8 is bigger than or equal to x plus 3 minus 8. This 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, so we're going to just have 3x, and here we're going to have x plus 3 minus 8 is equal to x minus 5. Now we want to subtract x from both sides, because ultimately we want the x's on one side and just the singular numbers on the other side. So we're going to get x minus 5 and 3x minus x. These two x's are going to be crossed out and become 0, and we're going to be left with negative 5 on the right hand side, and then 3x minus x is equal to 2x. We want to figure out we want to treat this sort of as if we are figuring out an algebraic equation, so we want to isolate x and keep it on its own, and the way to do that is to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we want to do 2x divided by 2, negative 5 divided by 2, these two cross out, and we are left with x is greater than or equal to 5 over 2. And that's our answer. If you have any questions regarding the methods that I used in this video, please feel free to leave them below. If you found my little tricks and tips useful, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And as always, happy studying.